This is what happens when you put up Christmas decorations and the local wildlife enjoy your decorations more than you do.
That's such a good quality camera. It's so little.
Is it dead?
No, his fur came off.
Huh?
One of his fur just came off. No, he's not dead.
How do you know?
Let me touch it.
I don't see it moving.
I mean, it could be dead. I know it. I thought it had moved.
Oh, it's alive. Oh.
Sorry, baby. I'm sorry, baby. Okay, just stay really still. Stay still so it'll go back. Go back to your home, little baby. It's like you just freaking woke me up from my slumber. Don't go in the house, bird. Oops.